Your Excellency, Mr. Schultz, and Nadeem Kazmi Saab, Harun Ali Khan Saab, Ibras Saab, Nino, and all our guests. Thank you very much for being here. And sir, your address about this 96.9% exporters, SMEs, resonates a lot with me. I started trading with Germany in 1980. And I was a small business, and I was speaking with, doing business with small businesses. And I have been to many small villages in Germany where there were small industries and there were small businessmen, and we made lifelong relationships with them. And at that time we were trading, and we, after a little while, our total focus went on air compressors. But during that trading operation, I saw a lot of German Mittelstand businesses from the inside, made a lot of relationships with people, and saw how they are working. And later on, when I had had the leisure in life to think about it, I recently wrote a small book, German Global Entrepreneurship, how the German Mittelstand conquered the world. And there I was able to put in a few chapters all the common features of those companies who did this. So with this background, I want to say what is the rationale for having this SKY brand and thing. You know, we had 4 decades of close engagement with German and international manufacturers. And each time the company which became successful got sold to a bigger company, and then the bigger company, when it was sold to an American multinational, and then that is where the relationships ended, and something very synthetic started. There was no organic activity, it was a synthetic relationship. And with that relationship, the large organizations, they expanded, and the layers of bureaucracy, and the extended procedures which such things bring, and the rising overheads, and the increasingly translated into longer lead times and higher costs, and at times a lot of quality issues also, because we went into a different situation, and where we were talking to computers, or what we call B-school kids, and and we were not talking to real business people. And you know, so it can't on, and this added to high costs, and often placing high quality products at a disadvantage against more competitive and agile competitors from Asia. So this is a background into how we were thinking. So drawing on our long experience with German engineering discipline and its continuing relationships with German manufacturers, Rastgar chose to respond not by lowering standards, but by shortening the supply chain. SKY Air Compressors were conceived in collaboration with selected German manufacturing partners, including white label manufacturing arrangements, to retain international benchmarks of reliability, energy efficiency, and service integrity, while removing unnecessary complexity. The result is a streamlined, responsive model that passes efficiency gains directly to the customers, ensuring that German engineering values remain competitive, accessible, and relevant in today's industrial environment. So this is the rationale behind it, so that the extra layers of fat, which are, you know, put everybody in a disadvantage. So that was the rationale for this. And we are now at a point in our company's history where we are a mature distribution company, and there would be certain other German companies who are now uncomfortable in Germany and looking for a partner here, and where we can expand this to all the surrounding countries, because we have all that in us, and we are looking for the next level of expansion together with some mature company, because that maturity and expertise is needed to grow into a next phase where all this combination of factors translates into opening up not only the Pakistan market, but the surrounding countries also. So I'm very grateful, ladies and gentlemen, for your patient hearing and being with us. Thank you very much.